Hey folks, Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we're previewing our newest listing here in Heritage Palms, Fort Myers. This is the Ashbury floor plan, part of the terrace line of condos with golf included that you're going to find here at Heritage Palms. Let's walk in and take a look. So with the Ashbury, you're going to get 2 bedrooms, 2 bath. You're going to get this nice open style kitchen here overlooking your living areas here. Some beautiful upgrades to this unit. You've got granite countertops, you've got the 100% sink there, newer appliances, and best of all, this home is being sold turnkey furnished, so you're going to be able to get all the furnishings as well as the forks, spoons, knives, so on and so forth. You'll also notice that there are plantation shutters throughout. Here you'll see that in the guest bedroom here. A nice sized guest bedroom with a king size bed here in the bifold style closets. Going into the guest bath here, you have the singular sink, the commode, you've got the combination tub and shower, and then right back here you have a laundry room set up with full size washer and dryer. Now coming back out into the main area here, you've got your dining space here. But you also have enough room here at the kitchen counter for additional bar stools as well. And then that opens up into your great room here. Last but not least, we have the master suite here. So really nice size master bedroom. That's a king size bed there for perspective. Again, you've got the plantation shutters here. And then directly behind me, you have access to the walk-in closets, which in this case the owners have added California closets here, which is a really nice upgrade. And then you've got your master bathroom here with the granite countertops. You've got the singular sink, commode, linen closet, and then you have a nicely remodeled shower here with glass doors as well. Last thing we're going to do is take a look at the exterior views here. So coming outside to your lanai, you've got a southern facing lanai with arguably one of the best views that you're going to find with these terrace condos here. You've got golf course view, preserve view, as well as a beautiful lake view. All right, folks, so if you're interested in this unit, you can contact us at all of the information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto, and we appreciate you watching.